Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the topic of Indian Constitution. So in my channel we are going to see the Indian Constitution topic in 5 minutes. All these topics will be able to understand within 5 minutes from the perspective of UPSC examinations. So today we are going to talk about the salient features of Indian constitutions. What are the salient features of Indian constitutions and what are the examples and questions that you will get in the Indian Constitution. So here is a sample question in Indian Constitution. It says the structure of Indian Constitution. What is the structure of Indian Constitution? Whether it is federal in form and unitary in spirit, unitary in form, federal in spirit, or pure federal. This is an example question. Do watch my video till the end to find the answer for this question. Another important question is salient features of Indian Constitution provided for. Again, these are authentic Indian UPSC exam questions. So, it provides for single citizens for whole of India, strictly federal form of government, unique blend of rigidity and flexibility. Now let us see. One of the important salient features of Indian Constitution is that it is drawn from different sources. Various sources have been incorporated in Indian Constitution. We all know that the Constitution of India Act 1935 is the largest source of the Indian Constitution. In addition to that, there is UK, USA, Germany, Japan, Russia, all these, even Ireland, all these countries have enormously donated to the Indian Constitution. So it is a large, it is derived from various sources. And UDHR, UN Charter, all these international law instruments have also vastly inspired the Indian Constitution, especially the fundamental rights. Next, the Indian Constitution is more flexible than rigid. It means the Indian Constitution can be amended. And one of the important amendments in Indian Constitution is the 42nd Amendment and the 44th Amendment. Both these amendments have significantly altered the Indian Constitution. In addition to that, the 73rd and 74th Amendment are other important amendments. And Indian Constitution is the longest known constitution, and the reason being that the constitution of states are also included. It is not only the Indian Constitution which talks about generally the central government, but the constitution of states, the administrative thing, everything is included in the Indian Constitution. If you compare with the American Constitution, Indian Constitution is probably very long and lengthy, and it is 100 times the American Constitution. Next, judiciary. Our judiciary is integrated. We have an integrated judiciary. Mind you, these are very important topics of salient features of the Indian Constitution that you must remember. And next, nature of federalism. We all know India is a federal country. It is a union of states, and the nature of federalism in India is it is federal in form but unitary in spirit. So it has a federal structure, but it's federal in form but unitary in spirit. But it is not true federal like the American country. Next, the citizenship. Unlike in America, India has single citizenship, but whereas American Constitution has a dual citizenship. Another important thing about the nature, the salient feature of Indian Constitution is that the basic structure doctrine. This basic structure doctrine was derived from the Keshavananda Bharati case. So this is another important thing with regard to Indian Constitution. Now let us move to the questions and see what are the answers. The answer for the first question is the structure of Indian Constitution. This is an often repeated question. You must know the answer. It is federal in form and unitary in spirit. It is not unitary. It is unitary in form and not federal in spirit or pure federal. The correct answer is it is federal in form and unitary in spirit. Next, salient features of the Indian Constitution. And these are the salient features of the Indian Constitution, which has single citizenship for whole of India. This is not strictly federal form. This is actually a wrong option. It is not strictly federal form. It is federal but with unitary features and unique blend of rigidity and flexibility. So the wrong answer would be here is it is not strictly federal in form, but it is federal in form but with unitary features. That is, has unitary bias or central bias. With this, within 5 minutes we have seen the salient features of the Indian Constitution. we'll upload a lot of topics on Indian Constitution, and you'll be able to understand it within 5 minutes. So if you like this video, do share it with among your friends who would prepare for UPSC examinations, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.